Okay, so here is how to edit your website. It is super simple. Go to loisboothdancing.co.uk/login, okay, and then hit enter. You'll get to this little page here, which is a login box. Type in Lois Booths with an S and the password that I've already given you in the email. Okay, you can click remember me if you want. Next time it will just log you straight in. But of course, if you're doing that on a public computer, don't click the remember me one. If it's your own private laptop or whatever, go for it. Okay, so here are the main pages or the main little features we're going to be looking at. Your website is made up of pages and posts. So the page, if you click on pages, um, then that is where you go to edit your pages. Simple enough. So we've got all these different pages here, and the one in particular you wanted to edit was timetable. So if you click on that, then that will take us to the timetable page. Okay, so this timetable that you gave me here, I found it really difficult getting these tables to work in on your website. They just kept messing up, right? So here is the solution. I made an image out of that. I don't recommend that you do that. Here's what I think you should do. Okay, it won't look as pretty as this, but it will be so much better. Okay, so first off, I definitely recommend that you delete these images. So click on it and hit delete. Okay, I'm going to start with a blank page now. So I'm going to press B for bold, turn on my caps, and write Mondays, and then beginners tap 5 p.m. till 5:45 p.m. £5. Literally, I would do it like that, or maybe if you want to do 3:30 till 4:30 this class, and then we've got 4:30 till 5:30 that class. Literally do it like that, and then go to Tuesdays. That is the simplest way to do it. Now, if you look up here, we do have exactly the same as if you're in Word or something. You can make things italic. You can make things bold. Okay, so it's pretty simple. It's very straightforward. If you want to go more complicated, if you want to start doing like headings and things like that, just press this little toolbar toggle, and it will give you this, and you can change things. So maybe change that to a heading 3, and that there to a heading 3. That's how you can do things. Now, if you want to make things into a bulleted list, it looks a lot neater. Um, you can put in tables and stuff. I really don't recommend it because you want this to be simple and manageable. Okay, so this little box here called SEO management, I highly recommend you fill this in for every page. As you go along, as you edit them, just fill them in. It's your website. You know what your business is all about. So I would put here Lois Booths Ballet and Tap School timetable. Okay. Now the thing about that is though, is it doesn't refer to Bolton, and that is something people will search for. So I would definitely put Lois Booth Ballet and Tap School Bolton. Okay. Post description. What is this page about? Just put what this page is about. Keyword Ballet and Tap School Bolton timetable. That's just something people might search for. Okay, and then just hit update and it will save all of those changes. Okay, so that is how simple it really is. If you want to go back to where you started off, click on dashboard. Now what's happening here is it's saying, hang on, you've changed something. Are you sure you want to leave? Okay, this little pop-up just appeared. I can stay on page and save it, or I can leave the page without saving. So I click leave page. So on the dashboard, you can create new posts, you can create new pages, you can manage pictures. You can also post to your Twitter and Facebook pages from here. And there's a little video here how to use this dashboard. Goes into a lot more detail I definitely recommend you check that out. That's the short version. Any questions, let me know. I'm back on the planet. I'm now reachable, and all of this up here about your domain name when it expires, by the way. I renewed your domain name. I didn't charge you. That's like 40 odd pounds or something. I've not charged you. That's why this date has not updated, because you haven't been charged for it. Okay, right. I will catch you later.